Akenya ni muritu gukeyumiria gukungwira timu ya bururi ya mahenya ma andu aria mari thi wa miaka 18 maria magatabanio kiumia giki kingi. Ritana riri rirutitwo ni Munini wa ngavana wa Nakuru Joseph Ruto hindi ya kuruguria mugithi uria ugukorwo ugithiuruka matura matiganite ma county ino niguo thingata Akenya gukeyumiria hindi ya mahenya mau maria makahanika kiharo-ini gia Kasarani Nairobi.
We want to attend in large numbers. 156 countries are participating, and for sure I know we are going to win as a country. We are going to win.
Ruto oho ni agathiriri kinya ria First Lady Margaret Kenyatta ria guthurima kiharo kiu niguo kuona haria mehaririria makinyite.
I also want to congratulate the First Lady, who is the patron of this championship. So we are wishing her well. We want this activity to succeed because it is actually giving honor to the First Lady and of course by extension to the President.
Mugithi ucio oho ni wirigirwo gutwikania kaunti-ini cia Nyandarua na Nyeri mbere ya guo gucoka guku Nairobi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Simon Maseria wa Wangui.